What the? I need it on my desk now! Woo! Oh! A glue that sticks and welds everything in seconds? Alright! Let me apply some glue to this metal nut and put it here. Now let's stick the match on.
Don't waste your time on Instagram. Earn easily from your home. Just DM me, I will explain you everything. Link is in the bio.
For 5 minutes.
Enjoy the video, but don't forget to check my channel.
Let's go!